Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into a product I've actually reviewed over 2 years ago. Unfortunately, something happened, so instead of doing a 2-year update or review on this product, we're doing a new review on the product. And I'll get into what happened, because we all know this year 2020 has been fantastic, so of course something fantastic happened. But today, let me quickly get into the product that we're going to be reviewing, and then I'll get into the backstory of why we have a new product here. So what we're going to be looking at today is the Newair AB, or Alpha Bravo -1200 Bravo, and that is going to be a 126 can miniature beverage fridge. And this thing I've had for over 2 years, and it has been by far the best fridge that I've ever owned. It's very durable, and I'll get into why. The link will be down in the description for you guys. If you guys know what I do, I am a mechanic on a race team in the NHRA. I work on a funny car, and we travel all over the United States, racing in different locations. We drive the semis everywhere that we go, and our trailers are basically our workstations. We work out of these trailers. That's how we make a living. And so we always have mini fridges in the trailers. Well, the thing is, with standard mini fridges, a lot of them can't endure the travel of up and down road use, on and off, constantly being turned on and off on a daily basis, because these trailers aren't running all the time, and we shut them off at night and turn them on when we come in the mornings, things like that. So this fridge has to be able to withstand that daily use of being turned on and off. It has to be able to cool quickly, which this one does very well. So that's why I highly suggest this one. I've had it for, like I said, over 2 years, and it's been fantastic. Now let's get into the backstory of why we're looking at a brand new product. This is the exact same mini fridge that I had for the last 2.5 years, roughly. But at the beginning of this fantastic year of 2020, we were on our way to Las Vegas to go testing before the season started. Well, unfortunately, on the way to Vegas, our race trailer caught on fire, and we lost a lot. It could have been a lot worse, but it made the beginning of the year just that much worse. And one of the things that we lost was, what do you know, the mini fridge. So I'll throw up some pictures of what the fridge looked like after this nice little fire, and this is the reason why we're looking at a brand new product. So I'm going to quickly go into the details, show you all about the fridge and everything. I really hope you guys enjoy. Once again, the website will be linked down in the description for you guys if you guys are interested, as well as using that code Tony the Technician for your discount. But let's get into this, and I really hope you guys enjoy, and then I'll show it to you in our trailer once we get it installed. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoy, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section of your guys' thoughts, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Let's get into this. So this is the Newair Alpha Bravo 1200 Bravo 126 can miniature beverage fridge. And once Newair heard what happened to us at the beginning of the year, they were kind enough to help out and send us a new fridge. So I can't thank them enough. But getting into the details of the fridge, it is 126 can. You can get it in black, stainless steel, and other like wrapped or painted versions. They have a few different ones available. The dimensions, it's going to be 33 inches tall. So it is just under 3 feet tall. I'll bring you in closer in just a second. It's 19 inches wide, roughly, and 19 inches deep. It has 5 interior racks that are adjustable, and there are a lot of different positions that you can set them in, which is really nice. The fridge itself weighs 62 pounds, and then when it's shipped, it's actually an additional 15 pounds. It's packaged very, very well, and I received it both times undamaged and working perfectly, so I'm extremely happy with the packaging. It's 110 volt, 85 watts, 1.3 amps, and it is extremely quiet. Really nice to have a fridge that holds its temperature very well, as well as cools really fast, so we're not waiting around for our drinks to cool off. There is an internal LED. It is a double pane door, and the door does have a lock on it, and you will receive 2 keys with the fridge. When it comes to your standard size cans, it can hold 126, but if you put bottles, glass bottles, wine, anything like that, it is going to vary, especially on different can sizes. So keep that in mind. It has a mechanical temperature adjustment from 0 to 7, 0 being off, 7 being the coldest, and it has an operating temperature range of 37 degrees to 65 degrees. So if you wanted to use it as a wine cooler, that is also an option. And then the door is also reversible. You can put the hinges on the other side. The only downside to that is the locking mechanism that is on the bottom would not be able to be used because the locking bracket is mounted to the bottom of the fridge where it can't be mounted to the top. But that's only if you actually need to use the lock. We do traveling down the road just so the door doesn't come open and beverages don't go everywhere. Or if you're at home and you're going to use this as an alcoholic beverage fridge, you can keep it locked if you have young ones around to keep them out of it. Other than that, let's get you in close and take a closer look at everything. Here, the lock is at the bottom, and here's the locking bracket. It does have this guard here so you can store things down here. And then right now I haven't taken the padding or anything off yet because I still have to transport it to work. But other than that, you can see all of the different options to where you can put the shelves. There's a lot of different spots so you can space them out really nicely and get plenty of room. Right now it's set on 3 and it is already cold in here. The beverages are already cold, and as you can see, I have a couple different bottle sizes in here and various types of drinks just so you can kind of see what it looks like. Alright YouTubers, so this is our new trailer, or new to us. When we lost our first trailer in the fire at the beginning of the year, we transferred everything into this and had to set this trailer up so it would work for us. This is my work area over here. I do the racks on the team. I build the rods and pistons and everything. So yeah, let's just get into this. So right back here is where we have the shelving built, and we have it ratchet strapped down. Nice little shelving here. And then this is the little award we won, because after our trailer burned down, we had a couple of weeks to transfer everything in the middle of a parking lot in the middle of Texas and California in order to get ready for the first race of the year. So NHRA awarded us this Never Rest Performer. But we have it ratcheted down, ratchet strap, got it decaled up. Fridge is fantastic. It does really well for being turned on and off constantly. It's very durable. It travels up and down the road all the time. I can't thank Newair enough. You guys make a fantastic fridge, and we all love it. It definitely outperforms any other fridge that we've had in our trailers. So really love the versatility of the shelving. That's a great thing about it, and it cools really fast. So even when we turn it on in the morning, within 30 minutes, our beverages are nice and cold. So that's it. We got a lock on here so we don't have to worry about the door coming open when we're traveling down the road. But once again, if you guys are interested, the Newair website will be linked down in the description for you guys. Use the discount code Tony the Technician and you will receive 7% off. Also, right now Newair does have a up to $50 off your first purchase, so keep that in mind if you guys are interested. This is going to be great for any, man cave, garage, shop, even home use, if you're going to use it for a wine cooler or anything like that. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down in the comment section, and as always, subscribe if you're not a subscriber.